This weekend we're having a weekend off. No big adventuring. I mean, we're still going to go for a little explore, but we're just going to go down to Ebenezer this weekend. Relax, maybe a couple of beers, some sandwiches, maybe a fish. It's right on the water. Just kick back. There's grass there, so we're going to stay clean. Looking forward to a good weekend off. Let's have a look how it goes.
We can't change that everything will always change, but we'll remember this as it is today in time. We both know you won't be mine. Oh, memories, defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history and creating our memories. Defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history, creating our memories.
How's your head feeling, darling?
My head's fine.
Oh, great. Can I have it?
Yeah, sure. Do you want a copy?
I could think of seriously worse places to wake up. This is pretty fantastic, actually.
Oh, memories, defining our memories, the difference between you and me. Writing our history, creating our memories.
Good morning, everybody. This is my good morning vlog. Today we will be going, don't know yet, look out someplace we went last time, done some time lapse of the sunset. I don't know what to talk about. I'm out of talk. And come here and give me a hand talking.
No.
Just want you to check out something, right? I drink 4X Gold because it's a good light beer and you can have a couple of them and it's still nice. But we got a 1.8. Can you see that? Stop focusing on me. 1.8. Should I drink it? What? Bugs. Wise man once said, camping without beer is just sitting in the bush. We've just been down for a swim, enjoyed the water immensely, but now I think it's MasterChef time. We've got Anne at the helm. We didn't bring any butter, so we're going to go with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in the rice. Fingers crossed it works. This little concoction Anne's brought. Oriental fried rice. And today, a can of chicken and sweet corn, country ladle soup. Trust me, it's to die for. Yeah, that's what happens to the butter.
Let's hope it works. I'm sure it's going to.
Ooh. Good?
I reckon it's going to be fine.
Ah, should be great. I hope.
I will.
It's only rice. What's up?
Why do I keep losing stuff?
What have you lost now?
The lid to the pot.
Is it in the 4X box?
No, it's not. Just check there.
I think it's time for the second part of the cooking up of Anne's fabulous dish. How much does this dish cost us, Anne?
This was probably $1.50,
Mm-hmm.
and the rice $2, so $3.50, $4 maximum,
And the butter that we didn't bring,
and the oil, yes.
and the oil, and the gas, and the cooker, and the destinations. Woo! I think I already told you we got denied access because we refused to pay to the campsite down the road. Literally just down the road. But yeah, I'm sure I've already said it anyway. Thought I might take you through my makeshift 12-volt system. I've got Thumper just here. It's got all the USBs that we use. Keeps the lights charged. I've also got the arc pack at the back here. This has got the 240 volt charger on it for the chainsaw and for charging the cameras. We keep it charged during the day, obviously, by 200 watts of solar panel. That's beautiful. Using that big thing up there. And that's my 12 volt setup. Keeps us going good for days. Obviously we've got the fridge on there. Actually have another battery in the car, just down here underneath all the rubbish. It's on 11.7 volts. That keeps the radio going when the car's not on, so we don't have to leave the car on and get some tunes going. But we usually play the music off this little bugger here. UE Boom. Found this in Cape York. You would not believe where. I think it was Fruitbat Falls. We went and camped up there for the night, and this was sitting just next to the campsite. Best little find I've ever had. How did it go? Oh, we're onto the soup. That in there, that in there. Ready to go.
No. What do I know? Can we stop? So, we've just come from Colo and we are now in the Putty at Wollemi National Park at our favourite sequence spot.
What are we doing here?
We are going to take photos and cook some dinner.
What are we having for dinner?
We are having a hot pot. Yum.
What flavour is it?
I have no idea. Herb and garlic. Oh, isn't it? Aussie?
Track update. If you just watched the quick flick through the bush, you'll realise that this place ain't that secret. What we're here for is a little side trek down. Well, the actual path down the Putty, well, this road has been cut off. You can't get access down there. There's a gate. Past the gate, it's really rough, so you could probably walk it, mountain bike. But this is what we're here for. Hollow Rock, or Crawford's Lookout. It's about 100 metres that way. We're going to set up the cameras, get a time lapse of the sunset, a little bit of practice for next weekend, big weekend next weekend. It's the beginning of Astro season. We're going to get some good early Milky Ways in the evening. They start about, or the heart gets up there about from 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and every new moon it's completely dark, so it's going to be awesome. But that's what we're out here for today, a little bit more practice. You've probably seen a fair bit more time-lapsing in my last videos, and now you know why. Super green down here. There's been nothing on this track in ages. If I had a postie bike, I would be all over this track. He's just so run out. Down here. It's unreal. It only goes down and loops back and then keeps going backwards and forwards. Just down underneath where we're going to be shooting tonight, which is up towards there somewhere. But I'm walking uphill now and this camera is not light, so I get a bit out of breath. I think I might just grab that one there. Oh, I might just let Anne grab them both. Do you want a hand?
What I do best, washing up and collecting wood.
Yeah, that's not that heavy. Not with two of us on here. This is actually the newest edition. We actually got this rake from this forest. This is where we're going to create the fire pit for tonight. Alright, dismal failure yesterday on the sunset. And it's our last day at the bush. Well, last few hours anyway. Hands onto the coffee. We've got nothing left for breakfast. Unless you want pork. Oh, we had a successful pork in that. Oh yeah, golly, she went off beautiful. It was herb and mustard. Herb and mustard? No. Rosemary and mustard. Rosemary and mustard? Aldi's, $10. I'll show it to you. Oh, I can't be bothered emptying the fridge. You just have to go to Aldi's and buy it yourself. What do you mean? Two people?
No, see how on the right, like this one here is just going straight, but the other one's like